Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and this is a video to show you how you can quickly come from very, very wavy hair to sleek and shiny hair. I researched the internet and reached out to Actcomb for their heated styling brush. The Actcomb comes with this amazing feature. It's that little copper button. When you press it 100%, the very thin part of my hair can be held very tightly and it gets straightened. Really sleek designs. There's where the heating elements are, the heating combs, and I turn them over, and then that's the other side. Very slick and pretty design. They all have the logo on it. And then I want to show you the buttons. The buttons go from 130 degrees Celsius, and the highest heat is 210 degrees Celsius. It has a negative button and a positive button, so to turn up the heat, you press the positive, and turn it down, you press the negative. And then the on and off button, and then the grab and hold button. And that's if you have a really stubborn area. You really want to flatten super flat. And the cord is especially long, which is great. It's a professional length cord. That way you can go anywhere you need or step away from your mirror or your workstation and still be able to do your hair. I love it. And this is nice because your plug may not be really convenient to where your mirror is. It's nice to have that extra length. And it plugs into any wall outlet. And they're so pretty. They'd be great gifts for your girlfriends. My hair air dry partially about halfway, and then I comb it. And the moisture in my hair is going to pull through and kind of dampen the rest of my hair so I can kind of get it to the straight point. You can see that's really wet in there, and that's good. You still want some moisture in the hair. Right now my hair is kind of dry. Could actually be a little wetter for this. But this video is all about how the Actcomb can make my hairstyling process really fast at home. The next step I do is I take sections of my hair, because my hair is really thick, and I have to get rid of certain sections to dry the rest of the hair. Otherwise, it does not get sleek, because it's just so thick. It just piles up and looks like a Brillo pad. So I clip it section by section. About 7 or 8 sections is perfect. So I think that's it. I have a little layer of thinness around the nape of my neck and in the front. It's not going to blow dry what's hanging down, but you're not going to have to hear this. We're going to turn the sound off. And this is where the Actcomb comes in. This was a quick 5-minute kind of the first act of getting my hair dried. You can see how frizzy still it is. It's flyaway, it's still kinky. It does not look that good, but watch. I've turned my Actcomb on high, and now I'm taking each section. I'm pulling it through, and check that out. I'm going to go through my hair a little bit at a time, and everything I missed with the blow dry and every little kink that is just too kinky is still going to go flat with my Actcomb. And let me tell you, because of all the different surface areas that are hot in this Actcomb, it gets in and it makes it as if I had, I don't know, a bunch of flat irons going on my hair at the same time because of the surface area. I can actually do thicker sections with the Actcomb, and you just pull it through to the bottom. This is how I get through styling my hair in a third the time because of the Actcomb. Here's this side done with the Actcomb, and here's the other puffy side just blow dried. Then I take out section by section and continue blow drying with a round brush. This is a medium round brush. And a few passes with the blow dryer and it's dry to the touch, and then I take my Actcomb. I'm going to pull it through. Look at that, one pass. I'm going to keep going. I did 2 sections, and I could just use this in the middle of those sections. It saves me so much time, and I'm doing it layer by layer, so it's getting most of my thick hair. And I can tell over here there's some kink because it feels very fluffy and fat. So I'm going to grab another section. Time for the finish of the blow dry. And now I'm ready to finish the rest of my styling quickly with my comb. Since I've done a number of layers below, I just go to the top because it's not going to be one big triangle bush. I've done a few layers below and I can finish styling like that, just with the pull through with the comb. And I'm not acting. What used to be a huge 2-hour blow dry and flat iron routine is now 30, 40 minutes at most. There. Can you imagine? You saw what it was like before, just 30 minutes ago. This has been really fast. My hair was halfway dry. That helped. Oh, now I see. I got a little more to do. Right around here. I do not like flyaways at my temple. Makes me look older. I used to do Brazilian blowouts, keratin treatments. Not only are they expensive and time consuming, they also make me smell bad chemicals. I have to breathe that stuff. So with this comb, since I'm doing so much less for my styling to get my hair styled after I wash my hair, I don't have to do that anymore. And I haven't in, I don't know, 6 months. Well, how do you like that? I hope you like it as much as I do, and the speed. Let me tell you some more about comb. One of my favorite purposes of the comb is to extend my styling. Because my hair, even overnight, will get all these kinks in it, it'll mess up my hairstyle. So by being able to use the comb like day 3, day 4, this is day 4, I'm able to have smooth hair, it looks salon finished, and it's 4 days old. This comb is amazing because it's so fast. And if you have a really stubborn part of your hair, there's a copper button there. So you put your hair in the comb and you press a copper button. It's going to hold it tight. Then you release it to let it go. You can see it's just not the same as after I first washed it and styled it. It's getting frizzy. And many times I go to the beach and I get a little frizz pop to it. And this comb is the most efficient and fast way to straighten my hair. Let me show you. You can see the wave right here in the front of my hair. And I put this in and I pull it down. Just like that. And this button is great because it'll hold it tight when I want it to be really straightened. This part of my hair gets a lot of moisture when I sweat. And so it always gets to the kinks really quickly after I've washed and styled my hair. So I love the comb coming right through here. All of those pieces of hair now are getting flattened not only on the surface where they're touching the inside, but each of the sides. Can you see that? Ah, that's how quickly it works. And in 5 minutes, I'm ready. That's amazing. Love it. I'd use it all the way on the highest setting by pressing the plus button, but I'm done. So now I'm going to turn it off. I just hold it for 3 seconds. It turns off. The lights go off. I really like my comb. It made my hair look this good, that fast. Remember, there's a before picture. And here's the after picture. Click the link below and get your comb. It's terrific. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video, and let's keep making great recipes in life. And this recipe is a recipe for a really good hair day. You know, now I've got to go out and figure out what I'm going to do now that my hair's all done. Bye-bye. See you next time. And if you like this video, there's more over the other side of the screen that are more about beauty. I think you might like them too. I hope so.